last steps in tuning the engine after you've set the timing and balanced the carburetors is to adjust the mixture, whether making it more lean or more rich. There's a couple ways to do this. The way I like to do it is with a color tune kit. It gives you an accurate view of what's going on in the engine. One carburetor, your front carburetor is mostly going to control these two. Your back carburetor is going to control these two. So we're going to take the spark plug out, number one. Then we have this special little spark plug. It has a glass top on it, so you can see the fuel being burned inside. And depending on what color it's burning, it tells you what the mixture ratio is. With that screwed in, we have to tighten it up a little bit. Don't go crazy. Has a special adapter for your socket. Then it gets this adapter, to lengthen it. And you hook your spark plug back on. If you follow the instructions on the back, if it's burning yellow, that means it's way too rich. If it's blue, that's what you want. And somewhere, between light blue and dark blue. So, and on these carbs, to adjust them, let me show you how to do that. On the bottom of the carb there's a adjustment screw right here. Actually, it pulls in and out this right here, which is the where the needle goes in. And when it goes down, it makes it more rich. It's like pulling up the choke. The choke actually lowers that and makes it more rich. So that just sets, how rich or how lean it is. Just like that. So now that we've done the front side, we'll move the color tune to number 4 and check number 4. So while editing the video, I realized that I'd put this bracket on backwards. So I came out to the shop and switched it around. With it in this position, when you lift up the throttle, the choke here, it allows more movement in this arm, and that allows this to move the throttle. And there's a screw here. It's your fast idle adjustment. So when you pull the choke just a little bit, it increases the throttle. When you pull it even further, it increases the richness of the fuel mixture. So there's 2 steps to choking your engine, and with this bracket on backwards, it wasn't allowing it to do that. So now it should work much better.